The 33rd annual Bronx Puerto Rican Day Parade is right around the corner with this year's theme, Unity, Many Faces, and Many Tribes.
I like it because I get to celebrate what I am, and it's just amazing.
It's about the next generation, too. 10-year-old Marissa Bel Soto demonstrates the parade's focus on youth and also on diversity.
Everyone welcome, and please bring your flag. Represent your culture, your heritage.
There's so much that this community has given me.
And adding some star power here at the Havana Cafe on Castle Hill Avenue for the kickoff announcement, WNBC Today in New York anchor Darlene Rodriguez, a proud Bronxite whose family hails from Puerto Rico. She's serving as a special guest at the parade that lines up at 10 a.m. with the official start at 12:30.
I'm so grateful and proud. I mean, I wear my Bronx flag here and my Puerto Rican flag here, so I love it.
With the parade just a few days shy of the second anniversary of Hurricane Maria, organizers also brought in Lehman students and staff to share their findings during a humanitarian trip just a few months ago.
Still a lot of devastation. A lot of homes are still being rebuilt. A lot of the elderly still haven't had their homes rebuilt, as they said. A lot of the roads are still flooded.
Daniel Santiago was joined by other students to assist.
The way we helped was we went to one of the community centers that were there, and the purpose of the community center was to give these people, the fresh water they need, the food they need. We helped make gardens, and we also helped with the library, which was there for information and stuff like that.
There's just something special about our student population that they just continuously want to give back.
That's organizer of the trip, Amanda Dubois Muyake, Director of International Programs and Community Engagement, who was joined by the parade's Grand Marshal, former president of Lehman College, and current Executive Vice Chancellor of the City University of New York, Jose Luis Cruz.
I think that the experience that Puerto Ricans on the island are now living is not dissimilar to the challenges that Puerto Ricans that first came to the Bronx and New York City lived decades ago. And we have clearly shown that there is a way forward, a way to better your life and those of your children. And so we're hoping to be able to celebrate that and also reflect back on the island on what can be done when we come together as a community.
Also making the connection between Puerto Rico and New York City, the parade's new president, Mirabel Mercado.
I came here when I was 14 years old, but I know the culture very well. That's why I'm doing this.
So don't forget, it's September 22nd, 10 a.m. at 164th Street and the Grand Concourse. You are invited, so be there. For BronxNet, this is Arlene Makoko.